has nothing to do with online student service. It's not something like Joomla where you just get in and plug in modules. No, it's a platform where you come up and build. That is, everything which we build, everything that which we have built so far has been custom built. We have sat down. We started Pulse in November 2010, and today we're in June. And all this time we have been building, developing. I'm a developer myself. I'm a developer and a designer, and I've been doing that since 2003. Started off by starting my first website when I was in CPC Bali to students, my classmates, and I've been doing that for a long time now. So we all first developed this solution, but we need like an open source technology to be able to build from that. So nothing on the platform will be something which we just copied and pasted. Nothing like that. Everything has been custom built by our developers.
Okay. We'll move to the online question, please, just to keep the public. I'll follow up with you later.
Hello. I've got a question from Fabrice online. He actually says, what was the drive behind such a project? What actually pushed you to do this?
What is the drive, What pushed you to go into this project?
First, I would say I'm a believer. That's the first thing. And first thing, I'm a believer. Second thing is I come from a country which, fortunately and unfortunately, has this multiverse talent. We have a problem in Cameroon today, which is unemployment, and which is the lack of the youth to do something for themselves. And we complain a lot. But in the team, we all believe in we can change things, and we will change things. No, we can change things. We will change things. We're 6 of us today, and we'll look in the future about in 5 years' time. What will the future be like? And in every society, in every group, in every kind of entity, there are always the innovators, the early adopters, the followers, and the laggards. And we believe we are the innovators. We are the ones who bring in the solution so that other people can follow. Why is that? I don't know why. It's maybe just the way we are. We just have the feel that we need to bring in something. And how do we do that? In this case, for example, Pulse is our solution. That's the reason why we just believe in what we do.
I think one of the reasons why is CPC Bali. There must be a secret there. Al, do you add something to that? Oh, what is your drive? Hello?
Sorry, I said that particular question, I did not hear it very well. Can you repeat the question for me?
Okay, what is the drive? What drove you into this project?
Oh, the drive. No, I think you said it perfectly, There is a problem, a specific problem in a specific market, and he's talking about the African marketplace. And you look at this problem, you look at the technologies that you have in place that can help out with this problem, and you come across Pulse. That's exactly what it is. Facebook can't do this, there is no other social platform online which can do this. Pulse is actually the solution to this. It's something that's been studied. It's something that students have actually been clamoring for a long time. I was in University of Boya myself, and I remember how hectic it was, finding out when the next class is, or when this exam is going to take place, or getting handouts for notes and all that, and it was crazy. So Pulse coming in, Pulse is just looking at that situation, putting the technology in place to fix it, and bingo, it's done.
Thank you. We'll move to the next question.
All right.
I'd just like to applaud your efforts for coming up with this innovation. I'm one person too that had struggled for some time to try to bring innovation to Cameroon. Brought a project to Cameroon about 10 years back, and it failed because of mismanagement. Anyways, right now I'm currently working on a project. It's not related to Africa, but a project where we use tablets. And the cost of each of the tablets that I've worked with is like 10 times more than what you're proposing. One thing I would like to know, do you know what operating system these tablets are using and the capacity? And then the other question is, are you thinking about the content? Once you acquire this tablet, what content do you think is going to be provided as a service to students on this platform? Thank you.
I like the question very much. The tablets which we have run on Android, Android 2.2, and actually that's like the operating system right now. I'll just
excuse me. Let me come over there.
Actually, the tablets actually run on Android, which is an operating system by Google, which is open source, so anybody can build on it. The hardware specs, it's a touchscreen, resistive touchscreen, 126 memory, internal memory, 2 gig of external memory, and an SD card. So right now I have an 8 giga SD card, which is in it. I personally use this tablet for my presentations, and each time I use it for my presentations, people are like, "Wow, is that an iPad?" I'm like, "No, this is a Chinese tablet." As far as the content goes, as you realize with our milestones, we expect to launch this sometime in May. Like we have it in plan now, but we don't want to launch it now. By October to May, we are creating a system which will be some sort of a utility where university will be sending out notifications to the students through mobile phones, and each time it's a notification, that information goes online and goes to our platform. I would just like to put up what the Pulse platform looks like. Just